Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to add captions on Capcut. First, open the Capcut app on your mobile device. Here, tap on a new project. Select the videos that you want to add, then tap on add to place them on your timeline. Once they are added, tap on text option at the bottom. Select the option of auto captions. Ensure your sound has been selected as a from video and then choose language in the desired one. Tap on start button to begin generating the captions. Now, wait for a few seconds until it finishes creating auto captions. After that, the auto captions will be generated. Hold the slide of captions and adjust them on the entire video. Upon playing the video, you'll see the captions have been added. Now just hit the arrow icon from the top right corner and export your video. Once it's exported, you can use it whenever you want. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.